when Ma'mun cleverly decided to marry Imam Jawad to his daughter. The Abbasids were not happy with this marriage, but Ma'mun knew it was necessary to appease them. To address their concerns, Ma'mun arranged an event to showcase Imam Jawad's knowledge and silence criticism. At the meeting, Yahya, the esteemed scholar and Chief Justice, questioned the ninth Imam. What is the verdict for someone who hunted while in a state of sanctification for the pilgrimage to Mecca? In response to this question, Imam Al-Jawad asked the following 10 questions. Where has the animal been killed? Has it been killed inside the sanctuary or outside of it? Was the hunter aware of the ruling for this act? Has it been done on purpose or by accident? Was it the first time he did so? Was the prey a bird or not? Was the prey small or big? Did he regret his actions? Was hunting done in the day or in the night? Was the hunting done during the major or minor pilgrimage? Was the hunter a slave or not? The Imam said these questions must be answered before he gave any ruling. Yahya was astonished and did not know how to respond, so he ended the discussion.